Hi, Chrissy. I just want to give you a few suggestions for working through the Calculating Mass, Moles, and Number of Particles worksheet. This is a roadmap that is going to help you determine where you're starting and where you need to go with your calculations. So you have your moles here, which is your center point right there. Then from there, you can go to mass, concentration, or atoms or molecules. So what you need to do with this particular map is identify where you are starting and where you need to go. Let's see if this will work. All right. For example, question number 1 says to determine the number of moles. So this is where you're heading to. This is your destination here. It's saying numbers with the letter G behind, which is grams here. That means that you're starting here and you're going to find moles. That means you're going to take your mass and you're going to times 1 mole over x grams. This is your molar mass. For example, you found out that your molar mass of silicon was 20.09 grams per mole. 42.6 grams times 1 mole over 28.09 grams is going to give you your answer in moles. You did question number 1 just fine. Question number 2. You have determined the mass. This is what you're looking for. Your numbers are followed by the MOL symbol. That is moles. That means that you are starting here and going down here. To go from moles to mass, you need to multiply by grams over moles. That means that you need to look on the periodic table again in order to find out the molar mass. Your first question is 300.0 moles of sulfur. Note the formula. It's just 1 part sulfur. If you look on your periodic table, the molar mass of sulfur is 32.07 grams over 1 mole. That is going to lead you to a final answer in grams. The next 2 questions are a little bit more challenging because they are 2-step questions. You are asked for what is the mass. That's down here on your map. You are told that you have a number of atoms of something. That means you have to do the first step of calculating your moles, which you've already done, but you're not quite at your destination of calculating mass. You still have to take one more step and multiply that by the molar mass. In question number 4, you need to find out how many atoms. That means that you're coming up here. If you take a look at your starting information, you're told mass. This is going to be 2 steps. The first step is to calculate your moles. The second step is to calculate your atoms. You might want to use this roadmap to help you navigate these relationships and therefore give you a little bit better success with tackling these questions. If you want to go through a few of these questions together, we can set up a live session if you're interested. Thank you.